Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. And basically you have a few options how to check it. You can use an application or you can find it at the charging case. And let's get started by use the application. Open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to About Earphones at the bottom. Right here at the last line we have serial number, so you can check it here. But as I said previously that we can use also a charging case. You need to remove your earbuds from the charging case. And right here I will zoom it for you. So right here, as you can see, we have SN, what means serial number, so you can check it also here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!